Hey guys.
Happening guys?
Yes, today we're cooking spicy turmeric rice and salmon one pot.
You're gonna love this recipe. It's easy, it's simple, it's tasty. From our new cookbook. It's got a lot of spice to it, but not a bad spice. It's got a nice aroma. The salmon is nice and tender and delicious. It's good to score it as well, guys. So the seasoning gets nice and deep inside.
The great thing about salmon is such a strong natural flavour. You don't necessarily need that much seasoning. Just getting that texture on it can actually enhance the flavour in itself.
That's right. So in this salmon, we want to pan fry them.
Skin down first. So guys, you can hear that nice sizzle. Absolutely beautiful.
Don't worry about the skin, guys. If the skin falls off, that's fine. So pan fry them, then take them out.
1 medium onions and some ginger. 3 cloves of garlic. Scotch bonnet.
Half of a green pepper, half of a red pepper, and half of a yellow pepper, guys. Turmeric, black pepper, guys, and some thyme. The key ingredient, guys, to give you the nice colour. Add the 2 cups of rice. Some coconut milk. Add a little water now as well.
Delicious, you can smell it. Literally the flavours are insane. Just looking at the dish, it just makes you want to smile, bringing the Caribbean sunshine into your kitchen.
Thyme, some fresh thyme. You can add Scotch bonnet in there as well, guys. A bit more seasoning if you like, a bit more taste. And there we have it, guys. Now, I'm gonna put the lid on and cook for around 25 minutes, and then halfway through, check it. If you need to add some more water, add water. Let it simmer, and it'll come up and start fluffing. Lovely.
The smell, guys, is absolutely delicious.
It's got that Scotch bonnet aroma. Here it is.
Smell it.
Scotch bonnet.
Wow. Chop up some of these spring onions. Oh my god. The aroma of the different flavours all in one pot. Nice and easy. Guys, I'm gonna yam this.